What to do with a cracked windshield before taking it to a local auto glass shop in Tarzana, California? Handle a cracked windshield immediately. Measure the crack, repair it if under 6 inches, 150 millimeters, and replace it if larger or in the driver's line of sight. Schedule professional service within 24 to 48 hours to prevent spreading. Meanwhile, keep speed below 50 miles per hour, avoid potholes, and park in shade to reduce thermal stress. Before driving to a Tarzana, California glass shop, seal the crack with clear packing tape to block moisture, photograph the damage for insurance, avoid washing the car, and call ahead to confirm stock and arrange a same-day appointment. At Master Mobile Auto Glass, we bring the shop to you anywhere in Tarzana or the surrounding San Fernando Valley. Our certified local technicians arrive within 30 minutes, install OEM-grade glass, recalibrate lane assist and forward collision cameras, vacuum every shard, and finish most jobs in under 45 minutes, right at your driveway, office, or parking garage. We know the valley's heat, traffic, and road conditions, so we tailor each repair for lasting clarity and safety. Tarzana drivers praise our punctuality, spotless workmanship, and friendly hometown service. When you need fast, top-rated mobile windshield replacement in Tarzana, we're ready to roll. Call Master Mobile Auto Glass now at 213-378-2288 or visit mastermobileautoglass.com.